and recent breaking and publications about this particular individual, you will notice that there is none. So as we speak right now, the Finnish authorities and its security apparatus has removed all articles it once published regarding Mr. Simon. So the question here is, why did these guys remove all of the articles regarding this particular individual showing right now on your screen? In this video, we shall be going through all of the latest and updated info and news coming out from Finland regarding Mr. Simon, an individual that currently is being held in Kylmäkoski Correctional Center, domiciled in that said country. Yes, in this video, we shall be going through all of the latest releases and every single detail you need to see and understand. Yes, this video is going to be highly informative, and I'll urge you to watch it up until the very end. So yes, let's begin this video with our very first update. Well, on the 21st of November of 2024, the Finnish police, that is to say, the National Bureau of Investigation, a security structure domiciled in Finland, came out to publish a particular article on its official website. Yes. Showing right now on your screen is this article released by the National Bureau of Investigation, where it clearly states that the police requests a remand of 5 persons on suspicion of different offenses committed in that said country. It also went a step further to give more clarifications about the 5 individuals that were arrested at that point in time. And if you go through this publication showing right now on your screen, you notice that Mr. Simon was among these 5 individuals arrested because, like it states here, he has a dual citizenship of Finland and Nigeria, and he was born in the 1980s. And it's from the southeastern region of Nigeria. This description highly fits Mr. Simon. Yes. So as we speak right now, today being the 6th of March 2025, we noticed something interesting and something that we all need to see and understand. Yes. Showing right now on your screen is the official website of the Finnish police. As you can see, it's named Police of Finland. This is the official website of this NBS together with the police. Yes. But then when you search Mr. Simon's name on their website, so as you read more articles and recent breaking and publications about this particular individual, you will notice that there is none. So as we speak right now, the Finnish authorities and its security apparatus has removed all articles it once published regarding Mr. Simon. So the question here is, why did these guys remove all of the articles regarding this particular individual showing right now on your screen? Is it possible that maybe while doing the investigation, underground investigations, they noticed that he's actually innocent? Or is it possible that they posted series of false news on their websites? Well, nobody knows for sure. But one thing we clearly know is that Simon will face a Finnish jury by May of this particular year. That is to say, in the next 2 months, Mr. Simon will face a Finnish jury regarding the reasons why he was arrested. But as we speak, the Finnish authorities and its security apparatus are yet to give a date by that said month of May. Yes. So when you go through different files, through different articles and publications from that country, you will not find a particular day attached to the month of May. Anyways, moving on swiftly. Over the past couple of months, that is to say from January up until this very day and time, Mr. Simon has appeared in court twice. Yes, he has appeared in Ebonyi district court once, and he did a live session from Kylmäkoski Correctional Center where he faced a jury. Yes, well, showing right now on your screen is a picture from the day and time that this guy, Mr. Simon, did an online hearing. Yes, he was in Kylmäkoski Correctional Facility where he held an online broadcast with a jury domiciled in Ebonyi. Yes, so as you can see, we have Mr. Simon raising his fist and showing signs that, yeah, as you can see, I'm very strong, even though I've spent some months in a correctional facility. And the second picture showing right now on your screen is the second time that this man appeared in court. But this time around, he went to court physically. Yes. So as you can see, we have Mr. Simon showing right now on your screen using a white paper to cover his face so as to prevent individuals from recognizing him. But the question here is, what was discussed in this particular, or these 2 different court hearings, one held in Kylmäkoski Correctional Facility that was done online, and the one he actually traveled to Ebonyi District Court. So what was the topic of conversation? Well, let me show you a series of articles published by one of the biggest newspaper agencies domiciled in Finland. Showing right now on your screen is a screenshot where it states detention of suspects Mr. Simon has continued. The said publication also went a step further to give us more clarity, where it states that the assistant lawyer representing Mr. Simon in the court of law, a man known as Ekpa, tendered a letter to the Paijahame District Court asking the jury there to grant his client's bail. That is to say, this assistant lawyer known as Ekpa wants the court domiciled in Finland to grant Mr. Simon bail. But something interesting came out from that court of law. Yes, the jury or the individual handling that case came out to say that they cannot actually grant this guy bail. He has to be in the Finnish authorities' custody till May of this said year. Anyways, for better understanding and for more clarity, take a look at this publication where it states, according to the council, the police justified the continuation of detention by saying that if they release Mr. Simon, he could hinder the investigation by influencing witnesses and continue his criminal activities. This is coming from the court of law. These are not my own words. Yes. Anyways, moving on swiftly. So as we speak, Mr. Simon currently is being held in Kilamakoski Correctional Facility, and his lawyer has attempted series of times to grant him bail from the court, by the court, but the council or the individual handling the case says, no, we can't grant this man bail, because if we release him, he might try to influence individuals domiciled in the southeastern region of Nigeria. So to make things safe and to make things very, very quiet, he has to stay in the Finnish authorities' correctional center. Anyways, moving on swiftly, a couple of days back, we noticed that Mr. Simon sent a coded message to the Deputy Prime Minister of the US. Yes, Mr. Simon sent an individual, a lady who we believe worked in Kilamakoski Correctional Center, to pass a message, a very clear and distinctive message to Ngozi Orabweze, instructing her to uphold the mission and also to stay in line. Yes, these are the exact words of Mr. Simon from Kilamakoski. Yes, so after that particular day and time, we've not heard anything from him. We've not heard any or get any audio recording of this man in the correctional facility. But then something happened a couple of days back. We noticed that the ex-wife of Mr. Simon traveled to Kilamakoski to meet with Mr. Simon, and also in that said meeting, the meeting between Mr. Simon and the wife, his ex-wife, they had a series of conversations, and the ex-wife told him that he wants to represent him in the court of law. He wants him to kick out this person known as Ekpa, his assistant lawyer, and make her, that is to say, to make Marianne Sakajavi, that is his ex-wife name, as his new lawyers. Yes, but then we noticed that Mr. Simon did not agree to that assertion coming from his ex-wife, because Mr. Simon wasn't too sure that if this is coming from a place of love, or maybe she's trying to nail him one way or the other. So Mr. Simon told her that, see, I can't just switch from my existing lawyer to you. I can't just do that right now, because this case is a very, very sensitive one between me and the Finnish authorities, and I want to stick with my current lawyer. Yes. So the ex-wife, Marianne Sakajavi, have been trying to put herself in the case, because as we speak, she is a lawyer. Yes. Just in case you don't know, Marianne owns a law firm. She's an existing lawyer, and she has all the legal backings of Finland. She has a series of lawyers who are ready to defend Mr. Simon. But Simon said, no, I don't want you to come in now. I don't know your plans. I don't know what you really want. I don't know the agenda behind you trying to help me. Yes, so Mr. Simon, as we all know, is a very intelligent individual, and he quickly shoved the agenda or the demand made by his ex-wife. Anyways, moving on swiftly, let's take a look at an interesting news coming from Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Yes. Showing right now on your screen is an article released on the 4th of March 2025, where it states, Winfiru, leave our land. Heavy protest rocks Akeze in Ebonyi State over land disputes. This article also went a step further to give us more clarity, where it states, heavy protest happened in the early hours of Tuesday morning in Akeze, located in Ebonyi State, as hundreds of men and women stormed the streets, accusing Governor Francis Obonna Winfiru, the executive chairman of Ivo local government area of the state, Honorable Emmanuel Aja, of trying to collect their land. Recall that last month, 4 persons were reportedly unalived in renewed boundary dispute between the Ogo community in Ishagu and the Umuabo community in Akeze, both in Ivo local government area of Ebonyi State. So as you can see, things aren't looking so good and so well for the current and the sitting governor of Ebonyi State, because this guy over the past couple of days has made series of controversial decisions. The very first one he did was to send about 11 individuals domiciled in the state to travel to Saudi Arabia for Hajj. This guy spent millions of Ebonyi State funds trying to fund 11 individuals to travel to Saudi Arabia, and now we have this particular protest that's happened in his state. Well, things will only get interesting from this point in time. Anyways, moving on swiftly, just a couple of days back, the Ohanu wrote to a politician domiciled in the USA asking for a meeting with the current president of the most powerful nation in the world. Yes. So as we speak, the current president of that country, USA, has approved that letter. And in the next couple of days, a meeting will be scheduled and it's going to happen. Anyways, in our previous video, we exposed and showcased every single thing that's happened behind the scenes leading to the Ohanu writing to political leaders in the USA and demanding for a meeting as soon as possible. Yes. In our previous video, we disclosed every single thing that you need to know and understand. And if you want to watch that video, we have it showing right now on your screen. So
back. What did you tell Ekpa that prompted him to ask you to go back? If actually Ekpa said so, before we go here. That disagreement with the man does not automatically mean neighbor sabotua. It is normal, and you should know. No wine. So, Dr. Moses from Commander Gen Ukuru. Where you make your peace now. Maybe before, no, they were against you. Maybe you all realize you go. Here from I say, keep waiting here, Jay, when the man after 10, I can receive it. It was here in a phone when we reach out dialogue, boy.
Keep it and make Kaiji yes, when you ask one, can you family value by Jamen at the struggle? Yes, we always disagree to agree. This time I don't need a very important time, though it is very critical time, but it's also a very important time that is struggle. One night we can Okelena TV Apotano will drop for his opinion concerning the trending video of Commander Gentle and the car that the Olamamere. Unumano video that the Olamamere, Eba that the Olamasina, PMI Simon Ekpa can follow back to the British government. A lot of people agreed with her and a lot of people disagree with her. You are entitled to your opinion. You accept it. You are entitled to your opinion, and that is why the comment section is where you can air your own opinion. The struggle is for every Biafran, especially. I'm gonna like to settle down and watch this video. Can you read the Kelena TV? This issue now between DPM Ngozi Orabweze and Commander Gentle. Nife Basataro is settlement on ground. Actually, you could open this video. Watch this video. The point one night we can make it ever. If you see a drop or opinion in a comment section, Ibambo, to start the video, can be a France and does we want to put this update. Watch the rest of the video, guys. I will be right back.
Commander Gentle said something yesterday. Banyere, ego. No one will be here receiver. And when that I wasn't okay. I got my ex. I wrote some things. Mana, I want a few things in Chorokanku before I end the IFA. And that in Chorokanku, and what if it is? And all you deserve respect. All men on ground, nobody freedom fighter. And they deserve our respect. Even I'm for the buy, if I no respect, if you know law, that is the mentality of the buy. You know, I respect this person. Oh, yeah, what is in Anna? No, respect. Bo, ngena madi equal correct. Ngena madi in agreement. No, ya roro, no, ya officia. And then no men on ground. Into I see an media. They deserve respect. Or how when they cook. But when they start taking side, that is where the problem comes in, which is normal. No one anybody will take care. Everybody is important like this very struggle, and don't expect Ngozi Orabeze's pattern to be like that of Ekpa. Obro no way feminine about the post to, no one coming about the post to. Ekpa said that he have given up everything. Mboku that in Commander Gentle, I wasn't happy. Mananambi is some commanders in the homeland contributed to this thing from them now. Commander Holy Ghost contributed because Nambidi is Yakurumo. Candino no noble man on ground, a hand on neutral. Fatra had to come in to settle. fachi settle ma ọ bụ na hafụ na ọ dịrọ mma ha watch ya hafụ ha na ebe ọ bụ na ndị be anyị ka that they should follow the person maka na ife na-eme n'idiri ego and na fa matara who becomes who ife ha matara ebe anyị ego si apụta na-enyefe ego fa na-arụ ife a fa kwere maazị Ekpa nkwa na fa dị na-arụ I said it here. Then what do we have then? Commander Gentle pụtara ọ kpụrụ Ngozi Orabeze n'ọnụ and thankfully anyị aka afụrụ ya ka ọ pụtara for weeks now. Maybe na fa edozigo because ọnụ kwubere kwute maybe na fa edoziena ịma mpụta ebe e nwere two people and something happened sudden njide ejide maazị Ekpa happened sudden ibute ozugbo take a side and ị mana your case nke nwa nọ grand and the case onye na abroad abụ otu so if ị ga-eme ebe ị nọ neutral mara ebe ndị be anyị kwụ majority carry the vote if I na-eme online bụ by majority so ọ pụta oge a bụrụ the woman n'ọnụ emegidekwa ya nwa adịghị apụta online maybe na fa edoziena maybe na fa arabago together because we disagree to agree onye na-eme disagree ka ọ were ya gbuo nwanne ya no onye gburu nwanne ya bụ odogwu we disagree to agree o nwere ike kemgbe niile ọ ga na-apụta online o nwere ike na fa edozigo until ọ pụtakwa kwuo na fa edozibe anyị afụ Dr. Ngozi Orabeze Commander Gentle kwuru okwu mana ama m that it is normal ihe a bụ ihe ndị be anyị ji aghọta oge maazị Ekpa na ebe a there is every possibility that na ị nwere contact Dr. Ngozi Orabeze and Ngozi Orabeze enweghị your contact or Ngozi Orabeze ajoin with any meeting. So now these things into already and they know na anya for na onye abụ nwaanyị and the Lord declare Biafra. Normal thing ka ọ bụ no we reach out to the woman. Ihe a bụ very simple. Let it be. Maka kemgbe niile ifro that I watched that video Commander Gentle Yoma ebe okwu that he have reached out. So there is every possibility ihe na-ekwu bụ ife nchere I know from Ngozi Orabeze there is every possibility na ọma ntụ esi reach Commander Gentle. Ọ bụrụgodị na ọ pretend ya na ọmara Commander Gentle reach out. Ọ nwoke ka ọ bụ ya na on ground. Ọ bụ ya madam ka eko si adị ka ezi ka eko si. Onye ọbụla na-achụ nwaanyị anyị anụ from olu ya. Ọ bụrụ na Commander Gentle reach out Dr. Ngozi Orabeze asa ya okwu kparịa ya akparịa ọ pụta ọgwa ndị be anyị and Commander Gentle nwere every power ịmara times mmadụ enwe power ọma nghọtacha ụdị power enwe Commander Gentle nwere every power depending into osi wee present dị okwu ịpụta online gwa ndị be anyị na ego ọnụ na-atụ na nwanne anyị dabata ka anyị aka ndị be anyị we pause and remember mgbe Commander Holy Ghost bidoro take side ịmagodi na n'obi ndị be anyị ya dị divided ọkwa ndị be anyị so na anyụkọ mmamịrị ọnụ ọgba ụfụfụ ọ bụ na adịbụ mmadụ 100 na-eweta ego mgbe ahụ take side na support oge nke ha kwichi na ebe ahụ much number of ndị be anyị anọrọ ya oge ahụ take side let's say na adị mmadụ 100 for example na-eweta ego for taking that side alone o nwere ike mmadụ 50 adrọpụọla hold their money na fa dị eweta ego ọbụla then ofu ego mmadụ 50 n'aka fa ego mmadụ 50 adịfa n'aka let's say la the money dịkwa divided 25 gara oge nke 25 agara this side ifụrụ ya bụ ihe eji ikwu okwu unison ifụrụ ya bụ ihe ndị a ifụrụ na-asị gị oh, leave it like that. But they went and they appoint acting PM. They are helping to divide the house. Mgbe ha that oh, Maazị Ekpa said you are stabbing me at the back. Why in a fair raw? Nwaanyị a atrijebe. Mgbe ọ bụ na ha si power monger, they could have allowed her as power monger. Ka ọ mụọ monger ya were gaba. Because they know that Maazị Ekpa will come out to fix things. But they are helping her, knowing that she is power monger. Knowing that oh, I am not holding ground of anybody. If you say that Dr. Ngozi Orabeze is a agent, kọọ ya afa. Mmadụ Igbo agent working against Biafra dị iche na mmadụ don't want to operate the way Maazị Ekpa operated by being onwe ife niile mere na agba ya n'ọkụ. That means no disagreement with mmadụ does not automatically mean na ebo sabotua. It is normal and you should know na onye abụ nwaanyị. So Dr. Ngozi Orabeze ihe fụrụ Commander Gentle kwuru were ya make ya peace now. Maybe before not they were against you. Maybe all realize go. Ihe fụrụ na sị ka ụnụ kpaa ka ikwuo ihe eji ego ndị be anyị na-atụta eme maka na o receive be ịkpọzi ya na fon reach out dialogue ya amamịrakọta na maka ọ bụrụ na okwu ele ya richere out na oji n'ọcha ka e were go modeles baby nne maybe ile ya chọrọ visit modeles baby ọ sị gị weta ego akpa rice ejụla ịmanye ego akpa rice okwu ntu a by then ka o ji enwe power ọpụta ọgwa ndị be anyị laa n'ala m ego akpa rice anyị ji eje modeles babies visit na ọ weta m wee and ọ na-anata ego for that ndị be anyị ụnụ ezigbo onye ego until anyị amara aka o ji arụ. He have the power, he can say it, depending into his way present here. So, na me ekwu ka e were opportunity a. Adị m ekwukarị okwu, adị m abụ okwu abụ. Ihe anyị na-ekwu bụ solution. Isi na onye abụ agent, with evidence law agent, anyị afụ, anyị mgbabịa wọ. Mana ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ strategy, ọ dị iche. So, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze and ana m na ọ bụghị bụ kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya. Hey, onye ama chief security officer ka a na-akpọ ya. Amara m, ọ dị ka nwere onye nyere ọrụ security ya n'aka. Ozi onye ahụ meeting ngị na Gentle na-ekwugo unu akpago ka ife unu kpatara gịnị wetara na ife unu kpara aga ọfụma because ọ bụ na ọ gara ọfụma Commander Gentle ama mpụta in enyekwa ngene akpana onara ga ego visitation because on nwere ike obuna brief be let me use that word. So with this video Commander Gentle mere na-ekwu ya now kwurezie onye nyere ọrụ a meeting ka onye a brief zie gị ka ị bịazie na round table with Commander Gentle ka ụnụ kpakọ. We disagree to agree because mgbe nụrụ ihe a I wasn't okay. Amami na now we disagree to agree. Oburu ya jeme pụmapụta online. Oh, Ngozi Arabeze bụsabo. She is destroying everything for that reason. Everybody is well for kapatazie audio. Egbe anya Maazị Ekpa said we should fall back. What did you tell Maazị Ekpa that prompted him to ask you to go back? If actually Maazị Ekpa said so, ka ife gbara before we kwuo ihe a. Gwani anyị. Reason wetara Maazị Ekpa ji wesị that we should fall back. Ihe ni na aba ajụjụ. Obeye pụọ kụchara asịrị. Ị gwara Maazị Ekpa that you want to conduct election for an acting PM. Knowing fully well that he's coming out. Why in nature of acting PM? Oh, he's coming out, but you are preparing ground for yourself. Oh, she is power monger, but you are equally grabbing power. She is power monger. You are preparing ground to grab power. Yeah? Oh, he is coming out. He is coming out. Man said he's not dead, but you are preparing ground to grab power. You could have waited. In about grab power. Never said that the woman who did grab power. Social media. All this problem many of you bunde create any small thing matter. That is why my WhatsApp number is not on media. Don't contact me. I am not a member of IPOB. If you know the media, I'm a content creator, political analyst, and the preacher of the gospel of redemption. Don't contact me. Too much of gossip. Oh, I know this person. Onya be criminal. Onya bonyenka. Ikobia kocha at the minute. Ikoba be hozo. Igba anyi man onya be agent. Igba anyi family agent. Anya waya wo. Ọrụ na arụ na need uche. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime that alone ji agba gị need wisdom. Maazị Ekpa na onwe ya abara n'ime that alone ji agba gị need wisdom. Na ụnụ abịa atụrụ. So, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, make peace. Follow peace with all men. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Ọ bụrụ na ụnụ na-esegbu okwu, let's say ụnụ na-esegbu okwu because na ha trust rọgị before, na ha nwere strong trust ebe oge nkere nọ. Let's say now that now they go divided and they have seen then this call out or this outcry of Commander Gentle, ya bro, a starting point. Iji we make your peace. Mmadụ ka ịbụ ka anyị ghara na-agbozi ụdala social media. Ịghọtago na mmadụ ka ịbụ baa na nkata ọchị ije modelis baby kwuo okwu ego. How do you tinye nwa aka mobilize kwuo ndị anyị because as it stand now, forget kwa na ego. There is every possibility na ego niile ha na-akpọ na today na ịma mfe. I'm not holding ground for anybody. Mana what if na men on ground na abịa gbakọta ọnụ na ụdadị ego ji apụtakwu mọ. Mgbe ndị ji enye akaụntụ bụ ji enye akaụntụ ifidu na ego ji na-adala elu. Mgbe ha dị divided ifidu na ego ya adala elu. So ihe anyị ji ekwu ihe a bụ Madam Ngozi Arabeze, please make sure they use this avenue for peace. Let's say le maro mana onye ahụ e nyere ọrụ nọ ebe a kpọọ ya ọrụ. Ụnụ nchakọ ya nkata. We disagree to agree. Ofu a na-ajika na-achụrụ efi. Achọba m ikwu okwu a mana agba nkịtị ọ ya dị ụnụ ka. Ihe anyị chọrọ bụ peace. Peace na alaba anyị. Na ebe ọ bụ na two elephant na-alụ ọgụ ife na-asọfịa bụ the grass. Ọgụ a nụọla alụta ya mma Commander Holy Ghost ji a na-ekwu okwu ji ekwu okwu for some time now. Ọ ji akpụrụ mgbe Ngozi Arabeze ọnụ dị wo ji akpụ ya before. Ka anyị were nnọọ ụjọ kwere le ihe a bụ sign. Ụnụ na ya make go up. So please use this medium to make up with ndị anọ n'ụlọ. Ọ ha nwabụ ndị na-ekwu okwu nwere onwe ya. Onye ọbụla dị important. Mana fa nwabụ ndị na befa n'okpere mkpụrụ amụ. Likewise ụnụ nwa. Ịghọtago? Peace. Ka Chineke nyekana anyị oneness. Ka anyị hapụ ịdị na-akọsụ confusion. O nwere ife ịkọrọ Maazị Ekpa wetara o ji wee kwuo okwu. Ife anyị kọrọ ya ịkọchara ya fa ncha ntu osi wee dị. Maka ịkọchara ya fa ncha ntu osi wee dị ọ ntu osi wee mee o nwere ike m ihe kwukwe n'ife ahụ okwu. Ka eji esi gị katara mụ nwale onwe m dị against the order. I'm not a member. You got to know. But I'm just saying. Now I'm going to oh, which of your land did you protect? Why asking for United States of Biafra? Why in Ebonyi? You can't go the declaration and the protect land first. You could not tell him. Obviously, after the declaration, you are questioning Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. How many land the corner before really go to the declaration? If I can know or who happen again, or Jabba already told you, have on your fishery convention and declaration. Abatazie na the place. It's easy to get why would you we are late for somebody the brain behind the declaration. In Barry Okumba, in a high, oh, Batodia, oh, Yamwa, oh, Kemwa, Okafa only to Ununtanina Joka to get the Alpha on social media. Yet, Ununtaka can make each like the same media. A Organiru, a Tochikayazu, Organi, Tochikayazu, not cause confusion. There is every possibility that men on ground will have find it difficult to work with a woman. Now, how an ally and full and the so they have to work with her. They have to agree because we disagree to agree. Because the more confusion, the more Kego na tala. These people refuse to in account. Emo no le na me na ekwu antu odi onoka. Advice onu jare nyoga abu je nya account because if na me need ego. O me onye ba anya ja confuse, e ja convince itinye ge ba. Isi bana ase e bi hapu antu aka ileje. That singular action bo or the or if abu the only thing na me ni nata. Obo no onye na account wa. Ndere cabinet bu ndị nyere kwuno na the account. The only thing he ekwu bo e nwere a lot of disagreement. But we disagree to agree. We sit at the more so let there be peace, let there be oneness as we move.